Hey everyone, Crypto Will here. So I just made a pretty bold move, but I think one that'll pay off. What was the move? I'll show you. Bam! I transferred all my Ethereum Classic to Bitcoin Cash because of one important factor that I've been talking about in the last few videos. The Bitcoin Cash fork. It's just been going up and up and up. You see here on the chart, it's just since before that. No, let's see a week. Let's go out a little bit further. Since November 2nd, it's just been flying upward. Like, people are making so much money off the price going up. It's incredible. Now it's at 541. This article talks about how the volume is quintupling, and the Chinese are also getting involved. Look, on the Oracle's other channel, Coffee and Crypto, he talks about how the Chinese, led by a person called the Purple Dragon, which is, I guess it's the leader of like a bunch of Chinese investors in cryptocurrency, they're buying a whole bunch of BCH and pushing the price up because they know how big the fork's going to be. They're helping to push the price up, and when people see the price going up, they will FOMO in and start buying and buying and buying. But our move is a smart move. Well, and I'm not your financial advisor. I just need you to know that. You probably already know this, but I have to tell you it. Disclaimer. What I'm doing here is I have Bitcoin Cash, and I'm going to, and the fork is on November 15th. I'm going to sell it a few days before the fork, or there's 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, a week, whatever. Whatever I think, some close to 1,500, because I think it can go that high. And I'm going to take the profits and I'm going to put it into other things. So go watch this video. It's very important. It probably won't be up for a while because people are targeting this guy, the Oracle, not the Purple Dragon. The Purple Dragon might be targeting the Oracle, but this hard fork on November 15th, it's gonna be incredible. It's gonna be really profitable. I think I have a long position available, not available, a long position pending in BitMEX. I don't know if it's been filled yet, but it's going up. It's going up a lot. It's going to keep going up for a while. On Coinbase, I transferred my Ethereum Classic to Bitcoin Cash yesterday at 497. And so I knew it was going to go up, and it had. I was surprised about how fast it went up. So this is a great time to get into it. I think people think that anything under 550 is a good deal, but it's slowly reaching that. It'll probably be there by the time you see this video. So, like, make your moves. Go ahead and make your money. I know I will be. But look, let me tell you what I think is going to happen in the news. And this is just based upon how people think. It's psychology. People are going to see Bitcoin Cash rising. And some portion of people are gonna see it and go, ooh, let me get in, and they're gonna FOMO it. That's some of them, but that's gonna lead to articles about how, hey, maybe the bull market's over, and then Bitcoin Cash is leading the way. And so you might see a few articles like that. But I think you'll need to cross a certain threshold. Once Bitcoin Cash crosses 800, if it pulls up the price of the other cryptocurrencies, you will most definitely see that. In my opinion, you'll definitely see the fact that we might be entering a bull run, but once the fork is over, no one knows what'll happen, including me. Like, could this bolster another bull market? Possibly, but if this fork is the only thing that really keeping the price up, and then the fork's over, and then everything starts going down, as is tradition, because during the last fork, whatever 1,500 dropped down to these levels, and it hasn't recovered. So they might be wrong in that way, but I don't know. Is there a chance that I could spur on another bull market and renewed interest in crypto? Possibly. Another thing people could say is that, ooh, Bitcoin Cash is slowly becoming new Bitcoin. Ooh, again, not sure if that's true, because after the fork, it's going to drop down, and so all these people doing all these clickbait articles who don't really know anything are going to have all these speculations. And if I see some, I'll show you some of them. I don't do news very often. But if I see those articles, I will I come back and I'll tell you it, because I believe that's how people think. And so be very careful when looking at the news. Don't let that spur you on to buy other altcoins because you think the bull market's in. The bull market needs more than a fork to really push the price up. Stuff like the ETFs and big institutional support, that can raise the price up. But the ETFs, I think they're supposed to do an announcement this month, but it could possibly get delayed. Now, if there's a fork and the ETF approvals, that's the early sign of a bull market, in my opinion. So just be careful when reading the news. I try to bring you news that can make you money, because I want us all to be prosperous. I want us all to grow. That's why I'm telling you this. There's no referral commissions. There's no monetary gain in me telling you this information. I could just do the Bitcoin Cash thing privately, but I want to see if I can help some of you to get into it. Because I'm not going to assume that everybody knows all this information or that everyone subscribed to the Oracle. I'm sure there's a few guys in POC, a few guys in Black Pearl who don't know this information. And if I can be the one to bring it to them, great. And there's probably a few people like elsewhere who watch this channel aren't subscribed, or who are just subscribed to this channel. I don't have that many subscribers, but I want to help all of you. I want to, especially if you're like me, and if you were like me last year, you don't know. I'm gonna bring you as much good information as I can, not just on programs with referral commissions, but on opportunities like this where you can make a ton of money, where you have the opportunity to make a ton of money. Nothing is guaranteed. Anyway, guys, that's the video. Enjoy your fork, enjoy your longs, and have a good day.